Hey guys, it's me, Evia, and Sophia. Sorry. Today we're gonna be making squishy with
her.
Yeah, with Orbeez.
With water bead Orbeez.
Yes. And we got the cup. We had these cups. So we got a water bottle, half a water bottle. We did.
Not a lot. This is good.
Yeah, sure.
So you're gonna want to use half of it, right?
Half.
So you pour. But I blow this balloon until it gets to a good condition. Is that all you want to use? That's half. That's half. That's half.
But anyways, we got some of her slime here, which I tried making. Her slime is...
Just making sure the balloon's stretchy enough for that Orbeez.
Her slime isn't really...
Because they're going to be huge.
Her slime isn't really slime. Yeah, but it takes a long time. While that, we'll just do some stuff that we want to. That's a long time, Sophia. I'm not lying. But anyways.
That's a minute, Eva. These are seconds right here. Those are milliseconds.
Anyways.
Don't look, there's Orbeez. We're going to get Sprin's problem.
Yeah, we just got...
Here, you talk to them while I mix this up.
It's really not...
Oh, guys, look, they're absorbing really fast. Look at this. Oh my gosh, Eva, look! They're actually getting the Orbeez so fast. I'll be mixing this while Eva talks to you about her day today.
So right now, we're just actually... While she is there, Sophia, say hi and bye.
Hi, bye.
Because I'm going to be taking over for now. So I want to see something really cool. I just managed to do this. Is that ready? Oh my. Made it through. I'm letting you know this is a little squishy. It's just really weird.
Then you got come. I'll have to show you the difference. Look at the difference of these small little ones and this medium size.
Wow.
It's not really medium size.
That's cool. Anyways, check on my Snapchat story if you're following me. I look really pretty. No, I don't.
Guys, look at the difference. Here's the small ones and here's the ones that have just been in the water for a few seconds.
That's really cool, Sophia. I don't really care. But anyways, let's go. In a bit, I'm going to show you my house tour. Right now, I'm just in my closet for some reason. Just look around and summarize it. Don't worry about that. Put some cream. Anyways, we're just going to wait until Sophia finishes this. But we're going to say bye because it's long. Bye.